Okay, welcome back. The next exercise is Bootstrap tables. So this is probably one of the easiest components to use in Bootstrap. And that's great news because tables are one of the most tedious things to code. And I'm sure some of you are laughing hearing that because tables can be a pain in the you know what. But Bootstrap makes it really easy to make your tables look great by again just adding in some pre-made classes, and that's exactly what we're going to do in this exercise, Bootstrap tables. This web page has a table, but it hasn't been styled using Bootstrap. We're going to give it two classes, table and table hover, which is going to basically give it Bootstrap's default table style, and it's going to make the rows highlight when you hover over it. Okay, as always, best way to understand things in coding is to actually just code. So let's do that. We're going to run the code that we already have. Let's open it up in a new window so we can see this table. Okay, this is fun facts about sharks. And basically there's a column about a column with different species. Their diet is in the second column, and then their average length is in the third column. So we're going to basically see what the before and after looks like after we add in the Bootstrap table classes. So as you all know, to create a table, you basically need the table tag. Okay. And then tables, again, just like web pages, have a head and a body. The header usually holds the column headings, the body holds the table content, blah, blah, blah. We're not going to get into all that right now. All we need to do is go over to the table tag, and we're going to add in a couple of tables. We're going to add in class equals table, and we're also going to add in table dash hover. So you can add multiple classes to the class attribute. And I believe that's the only things we need to add. Those are the only things. So that's it. Super easy. Okay, I'm going to save this and I'm going to run, I'm going to open it up in a new window once more so you can see the difference. Very dramatic difference. Again, here's the before. Okay, this is what your table would look like if you just coded it the way we've learned how to make tables. Okay, again, we could always go into CSS and fix up the formatting, but again, just like I mentioned in the previous exercise, no need to do that with Bootstrap. This is the power of Bootstrap components. You just add in the class name and it does all the styling for you. So we got this beautifully formatted table just by putting in the word table, and then we get this nice hover effect, which highlights the row we're hovering over by adding in the table hover class. All right, so I hope it's starting to sink in how Bootstrap components can really elevate your work and just make life a lot easier for developing and coding. All right, again, any questions, let me know. Very nice job. Please keep up the great work.